Hi guys and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to make a blurry picture clear online for free. To start, open your internet browser then go to befunky.com. On the website, select Get Started. Once you are now here, select Start New. In here, all you need to do is to select Open. On the upper corner, then select From Computer. In here, look for the image that is blurry. Once you are now here under Photo Editor, on the left corner, select the amount. Then this time, reduce it to 0%. Then the photo will now be clear. On the upper corner, select Save on your computer, then select Save. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.